Did you know you can turn any Canva element into a coloring page and tracing worksheet without drawing anything? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to transform colorful Canva elements into coloring outlines plus tracing words for free in Canva. I'll teach you 2 easy methods so you can choose the one that works best for your design. First method, using adjust and filters. First, open Canva. Click Create a Design, then choose Custom Size. I prefer using an A4 document size. Next, go to Elements and search for any picture you want. For example, I'll choose a cat element and add it to my page. Now, copy and paste the picture. Resize the colored picture smaller and place it beside the original. Click the picture, go to Edit Image, then find Adjust. Turn the white option or brightness setting to 100% to make the image lighter. Next, go to Filters and choose Mono. I prefer using the classic option, but you can try the other ones too. Now your colorful element is turned into a coloring page outline. To add tracing words, click Text and search for the font. G primary dots lined. Type the word you want, then adjust the font size to fit your design. Second method, using Canva styles. Now, let me show you another way. Go to Elements and find the picture you want to edit. For example, I'll use an elephant element. Click the element, then find Style Match. You will see different styles. Choose Doodle, then wait for Canva to generate the result. And there you go. Your element is transformed into a coloring style outline. Remember, I'm showing you 2 methods because sometimes the first method using adjust plus mono plus classic doesn't work on every element. It depends on the picture you choose, so you have 2 options to try. I hope this tutorial helps you create your own coloring and tracing pages in Canva. If you enjoyed this video, please like, follow, and subscribe for more Canva tutorials and creative ideas. Thank you for watching.